Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G50, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Samsung Voice Recorder. Now you can download this free app, for example from this developer, and open it. Here, choose Continue, tap on While using the app or only this time, tap on Allow and click on Yes, I agree. Then tap on this red button to start the recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. Then save it by tapping on the right one and click on Save at the top right corner. You can rename your recording by clicking on those three dots here, choosing Rename and typing wherever you wish to. When you're ready, select OK in the pop-up. If you wish to get rid of your recording though, you can hold it, tap on this bin icon over here and confirm your choice in the late pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!